In addition to creating individual objects, you can also group objects together inside of Muse, making it easier for you to manipulate multiple objects at the same time. In this movie, I'll show you how to group objects together, and we'll also move and manipulate them as one solid piece. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these two objects down here, this rounded rectangle and this technically a square, but it looks like a circle. And so what we're going to do is just select both of those together. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Group. You can also just go to the Object menu and choose Group as well. You'll notice once I group them together that the separate bounding boxes temporarily go away. They're still there. When you hover over them, you'll see them. But as of right now, this is acting as one solid piece. I can manipulate it and change the look and feel of it just by clicking and dragging it around and scaling it and transforming it as I would any other object. Same holds true for rotation. I can rotate it around. The interesting thing, though, is that it looks as though only one piece is rotating, but in fact, both are rotating. It's just that this one is a circle, so it doesn't really look like it's rotating much. I can use Command or Control-Z to undo that anytime I want, and I can also ungroup these objects anytime I want as well. I can right-click again, and I can choose Ungroup. When I ungroup them, they become two separate objects once again. All right, let's try this one more time. I'm going to grab this circle and move it over here inside of this square. And then we'll select both of the objects by clicking and dragging across, this time going up to the Object menu and choosing Group. Once I group them together, I can then move them over here to the far right-hand side of the screen, and I can also give them a little rotation if I wanted to, something kind of like that. And as you can see, it's very easy to group objects together and manipulate them around in Muse, much the same way you can in most graphics editing applications. And again, anytime you want to undo your changes, just use Command or Control-Z to do so. All right. So that's the basics of grouping objects together. I can see many different use cases for this. Maybe grouping a set of links with a header image, maybe grouping things inside of a banner ad so you can resize it. Whenever the need arises for grouping together, hopefully now you understand exactly what it means and how you could use it.